Okay, I lost, or I almost lost to a Pole earlier in the tournament, so maybe I'll lose to another. Okay, let's go A6. This is a very solid line. Let's go here. Oh, this is this the trick? Now I can take a bishop g4, I think. Ah, this is not great, actually. I don't know why I did that. He could have given a check on e2, I think. Would have been better. Now I'm sort of fine. My pawn structure is very solid, and though he has some extra space, he's probably going to try and attack on the king side somehow, but it's not so easy. How the message for reasoning swearing. Allow it? Yeah, we'll allow it. Polska Gorom Kurwa. That's not swearing. That's just how Polish people talk. Would you play Minecraft with me? Probably not. Never played Minecraft. Although I do like the game in principle. I never played it, and you probably, I don't know you, but you probably wouldn't be my first choice to play my first Minecraft game with. Jokic MVP, probably. Could be Embiid as well. Now we can trade the rook off. Shouldn't be doing too badly. So far, I don't think his attack on the king side is really going anywhere. So now he's resorting to one move threats. I can't do this, and then queen d2. And that actually looks good. So if he moves the rook somewhere else, I just go knight f8, and I won a pawn for very little compensation. Pinball or solitaire player? Yeah, exactly. I played a lot of both of those games. Minesweeper as well. Rumor games. Big Real Madrid buying so many youngsters. Yes, I think it's good business. Oh, I just blundered. No, I didn't. I almost blundered. He could have taken on d7, then I take the rook. King moves, and I go queen d1, which I didn't see at first. FPL rank so far, first time chatter. You're gonna brag about your own rating or your own rank. My ranking is probably below yours, I would say. Liverpool will destroy Real Madrid? Maybe. It would be the first time they destroy a team this season, though. Okay, let's keep taking some pawns. Salah strat not working, yeah. Definitely not. Now I think I have the tactic. Seems to work. So my king is really snug and safe there. Even though he's got some like half-threatening pawns, it's just